Happy, happy dance, dance. When we doing something new, we do the happy dance, dance. Hey, happy, happy dance, dance. Happy, happy dance, dance. Huh? What a banger! What a banger!
Daisy Day
That's it.
เดี๋ยวที่เอามือออกปาก
Who's crying back there? Hey? Air conditioner's on. I'll give you some milk at the next place, maybe. They've got 2 bottles there wedged in their seats. You right now, Day?
How do you get hold of yourself?
Welcome to Tatton Waterfall, girls. Bit hot, but we're going to go down to the trees where it's nice and cool. Nice and cool. It was chockers. It's still a fair flow. They must pump it back up because there's just not any rain. Ayapum Summer Fest, so it is summer here in Thailand, so it's probably still a lot with this. Look at that, that is beautiful. Dad and Daisy, she's doing much better now. Grilled chicken, moo ping, som tam. And having a beer. Just here with Daisy. Just here with Lily. She's a bit surprised by the water. Seeing the waterfall for the first time, huh? Hey? Huh? Looking at the camera. Oh, you want the camera, do you? You want it? This is the toy you always want but can never get. Just hold it in whichever way it moves and then the pram will fold. Yep. It's a bit tricky sometimes.
Oh, now she's turned over. They've both turned over.
How you guys doing? In the air conditioning, nice and relaxed? Hey? Gonna go out for dinner again tonight. Should be fun. Should be fun.